Your classic coffee this month is a natural Ethiopian coffee. It's from the Sidama region and the Bombe mountains. So the coffee is grown by over 1,500 smallholder farmers at an altitude of 2,300 meters above sea level, which is it's pretty high up. So they bring all of this coffee to the Keramo washing station where it is processed. So the coffee beans themselves that come to the washing station are quite a small screen size, so screen size 13 to 14, which is teeny tiny, which you'll notice when you open the bag. And kind of this combined with the altitude means that they're really, really dense. So when I roasted this coffee, I could apply loads and loads of heat so I could kickstart those chemical reactions that would get us the flavour notes that I wanted. So I'm going to brew the Keramo on our Oreo brewer, which is a teeny tiny little brewer. So I'm only going to use 15 grams of coffee to 250 grams of water. I'm going to use the assembly brewing method that we developed specifically for this brewer. So if you want to find out more about that, we do have a blog post on our website, so you can copy exactly what I'm doing. So I'm going to go. So yeah, the magic number with this method is the number 5. So I'm going to do 5 pours, each of 50 grams, which is perfect. You can't really fit much more in this little guy, but it drains really, really quickly, so you don't take ages over your brewing time. So it means I can maximize the sweetness that is in the coffee already, but I can also make sure that I get loads of the fruity notes. I mean, you can already smell on the nose so many fruity and floral aromatics, which is pretty typical of Ethiopia anyway. You would expect florality and like berries and things from an Ethiopian, so it ticks that box. Heaps of sweetness up front. Yeah, it's almost like biting into a sour candy, but then it's followed by like a milk chocolatey aftertaste. Fresh blueberry, fresh raspberry, chocolatey, really well rounded and really, really clean. I'm just going to keep drinking this because it's really yummy. So yeah, as it cools down, you're going to get even more fruit, even more like Earl Grey tea and florality in it. But when it's hot, it's loads and loads of body and chocolate. So it's a really well-rounded example of natural Ethiopian coffee.